Hi, in this video I'm running Maven tests inside Docker Compose stack with Selenium router used as Selenium hub deployed into Kubernetes cluster. It's a bunch of deployments and services deployed into Kubernetes cluster. Here is my testng XML file, and I'm running 7 classes in parallel as thread count. And this is the deployment. Here I have updated the replicas to 5 replicas. Of course, you can have as many replicas as you want. A bunch of services used to expose these deployments. This is the infrastructure for the Selenium hub. It's exposed as a node port service so that it could be accessible from the browser. This is the demo, the GitHub demo used in this video. Let's take a look at the driver generator class where I load the hub environment variable to read the the URL to the hub or to the Selenium router. Notice here, I'm given a remote web driver, the URL of the hub, which could be loaded from an environment variable called hub. In a couple of seconds, we will see how to set this environment variable. This is Docker Compose, where I'm loading the test container and the report container as well. And this is the hub environment variable. I need to update this value. Let's now deploy the Selenium router infrastructure, which is a bunch of deployments and services deployed into the Kubernetes cluster. I have a list of services. The Selenium router will be the API or the gateway to the Selenium router for my test cases. Here is the Selenium router or the Selenium grid. I'm running five. I'm running on 5 nodes, as we saw before. Copy this link, and this will be the new value for the hub environment variable declared inside the Docker Compose file. So I have to update this value and paste the new one. Save the file, and now I'm ready to run the test cases. And now let's start up our test cases. I'm starting up the Docker Compose. I have here two services up and running. Let's check the containers. And as you can see, I have two containers, one for test and the other for the test report. This is the Selenium grid where I'm running my test cases. In a couple of seconds, the tests should come up inside the Selenium grid. And here the test cases have startup running. As you can see, there are multiple nodes running test classes in parallel, and there is a queue size. There is also concurrency to show how many test cases are running in parallel. Let's wait until all tests are done. All tests are now finished. This is the log coming from the test container. As you can see, everything is fine. Let's now run the test report. This is the test report. I'm gonna display the port 8000 to show the test report. As you can see, this is my test report and everything is fine.